Marie Maynard Daly was born in 1921 and raised in Queens in New York. She was a trailblazing biochemist and the first African-American woman in the United States to earn a PhD in chemistry. Marie's father, Ivan C. Daly, had immigrated from the British West Indies with the intention of becoming a chemist, but he was unable to complete his education due to a lack of funds. Marie persisted anyway in pursuing her vision to become a chemist. She excelled academically, and when she graduated she was named a Queen's College Scholar, an honour that is only awarded to the top 2.5% of the graduating class. Marie worked as a laboratory assistant at Queen's College and as a chemistry tutor in order to support herself through her studies. Marie was particularly interested in nuclear proteins. Her studies of histones provided evidence that is now considered fundamental to our understanding of DNA. In fact, in 1953, the scientists James Watson and Francis Crick mentioned Marie's work when they accepted the Nobel Prize for describing the structure of DNA. Marie's research was crucial in advancing our understanding of cell biology. Her studies also contributed to the broader field of nutrition and health. Marie made significant contributions to the understanding of hypertension, cholesterol, and the relationship between diet and heart disease. Despite her groundbreaking work, much of her research was overshadowed by her male colleagues, and her contributions were often ignored or underappreciated during her lifetime. At that time, women and minority scientists were often seen as reservists who were merely expected to provide temporary and relatively low-ranking support during war times. Marie's 1942 yearbook profile reflects this, as she is described as having chosen a career as simply a laboratory technician. It wasn't until years later that Marie's significant contributions were properly acknowledged. In 1975, Marie was one of 30 minority women scientists to attend a conference examining the challenges facing women in STEM from minority backgrounds. This resulted in the publication of a report titled The Double Bind: The Price of Being a Minority Woman in Science. Marie's legacy is not just in her scientific achievements, but also in her dedication to supporting future generations of underrepresented scientists. So challenge the Alice effect by remembering her name, Marie Maynard Daly.